Hello, everyone. Welcome to Slow English Learning. I am Sarah, and I am so happy you are joining us today. This is the place where we take our time. We speak slowly and clearly so that you can understand every word. Our goal is to help you build your confidence, one sentence at a time. Today, John and I have a wonderful topic. It is a topic that connects us all. We are talking about culture around the world. What is culture? Culture is how we live. It is our food. It is our clothes. It is our music. It is how we say hello. Every country is different, and that is beautiful. Today, we will talk about these differences using simple English. So find a quiet place, relax, and let's start learning together at a comfortable pace.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I am John. I am very happy to be here. I love this topic. I love traveling. When I travel, I see new cultures. It opens my mind. Learning about culture helps us understand people. It helps us make friends from other countries. And it helps us learn English because language is part of culture.
That is very true, John. Language and culture go together, like coffee and milk, or tea and biscuits.
Yes, so today we will travel with our words. We will visit different parts of the world.
Let's start with the first thing we do when we meet someone. Greetings.
Greetings, saying hello. Sarah, how do you say hello in your culture?
In the UK and the USA, we often say hello and we shake hands.
Yes, a handshake. You use your right hand, you hold the other person's hand, you move it up and down, shake, shake.
But John, in other countries, it is different. In Japan, people do not shake hands usually. What do they do?
In Japan, people bow. To bow means to move your head and body down. It shows respect.
Yes, it is very polite. In India, people put their hands together. They say namaste.
Namaste, that is a beautiful word. It means I respect you.
And in some countries in Europe, like France or Italy, people kiss on the cheek.
On the cheek, the side of the face.
Yes, sometimes one kiss, sometimes two kisses, sometimes three.
Wow, that is very friendly. If I do that in the USA, people might be surprised.
Exactly. That is why culture is interesting. What is normal in one place is strange in another place.
Listeners, how do you say hello in your country? Do you shake hands? Do you bow? Do you kiss? Think about it.
It is okay if you make a mistake with a greeting. If you try to shake hands in Japan, they will not be angry. They will understand you are learning.
Just smile. A smile is the same in every culture.
Let's practice a sentence. Repeat after me. Every culture has a different greeting.
Every culture has a different greeting.
I respect all cultures.
I respect all cultures.
Now, John, let's talk about my favorite part of culture, food.
Oh, I love food. Food tells a story about a country.
Yes, in Italy, the culture is pasta and pizza.
In Mexico, the culture is tacos and spicy food.
John, what is spicy?
Spicy means it feels hot in your mouth, like chili peppers. Fire.
Some people love spicy food, some people do not. In India and Thailand, the food is often very spicy.
In England, the food is, well, not very spicy.
That is true. We like fish and chips. We like potatoes.
Let's talk about how people eat, the tools we use.
In the West, USA, Europe, we use a knife and fork or a spoon.
The knife cuts the food. The fork picks up the food. The spoon is for soup.
But in East Asia, China, Japan, Korea, they use chopsticks.
Chopsticks are two thin sticks. You hold them in one hand. It is difficult for beginners.
I tried to use chopsticks yesterday. I dropped my food. It was funny.
Did you feel embarrassed?
A little bit, but I laughed. It is okay to make mistakes. Learning chopsticks takes practice.
And in some countries, like India or parts of Africa, people eat with their hands.
Yes, they use their right hand. They pick up the food with their fingers. It connects you to the food.
That is interesting. So no fork, no chopsticks, just hands.
Listeners, what do you use? Fork, chopsticks, hands?
All ways are good. No way is better. It is just different.
Let's practice food sentences. I like to try new food.
I like to try new food.
Food is an important part of culture.
Food is an important part of culture.
John, let's talk about drinks, specifically tea and coffee.
Ah, the big debate.
In the UK, we have a tea culture. We drink tea all day. We drink tea with milk. We offer tea to guests.
If you go to a British house, they say, "Would you like a cup of tea?"
Yes, it is friendly. It is warm.
In the USA, we have a coffee culture. We drink coffee in the morning to wake up. We walk with our coffee in a paper cup.
In Italy, coffee is different. It is espresso, small and strong. You drink it standing up at a bar.
In Turkey, tea is very important too, but they serve it in small glass cups. without milk.
And in Japan, they have the tea ceremony. It is a special way to make green tea. It is very slow and peaceful.
So, a simple drink like tea changes around the world.
John, let's move to clothing, what we wear.
In many places now, people wear Western clothes, jeans, t-shirts, sneakers.
Yes, jeans are global. Everyone wears jeans.
But many countries have traditional clothing, clothes from history.
For example, in Japan, they have the kimono. It is a beautiful robe.
In India, women often wear a sari. It is a long, colorful cloth.
In Scotland, men wear a kilt. It looks like a skirt, but it is for men.
In Arab countries, men might wear a thobe, a long white robe.
When do people wear these clothes?
Usually for special days, for weddings, for festivals, for holidays.
Colors have meaning too. John, in the West, what color does a bride wear at a wedding?
A bride wears white. White means happiness and new beginnings.
But in China or India, white is sometimes for funerals, when someone dies.
Really?
Yes, in China, red is the lucky color. Brides often wear red.
That is a big difference. White for weddings in one place, red for weddings in another.
So culture is about colors too.
Sarah, let's talk about time. Being on time. Punctuality.
This is very important. Punctuality means arriving at the correct time.
In countries like Germany, Switzerland, or Japan, time is strict.
Strict means you must follow the rule. If the meeting is at 9:00, you must be there at 8:55.
If you arrive at 9:05, you are late. It is rude.
But in other cultures, like in Latin America or parts of Southern Europe, time is more flexible.
Flexible, like a rubber band. If the party starts at 8:00, people might arrive at 9:00 or 9:30.
And that is okay?
In that culture, yes, it is normal. They focus on the people, not the clock.
So if you are German and you go to a party in Brazil, you might be the first person there.
Yes, you will wait alone for 1 hour.
And if a Brazilian person goes to a meeting in Germany, they must be careful not to be late.
This is called cultural shock, when you are surprised by a new culture.
Listeners, are you a punctual person or are you flexible?
Let's practice time sentences. I try to be on time.
I try to be on time.
Time is different in every country.
Time is different in every country.
Sarah, let's talk about shoes.
Shoes? Why shoes?
Because of the shoes inside rule. In the USA, many people wear shoes inside the house.
Yes, they walk on the carpet with shoes.
But in Canada, Japan, Sweden, and many other places, you must take off your shoes at the door.
Absolutely. You cannot walk inside with dirty shoes. You wear socks or slippers.
If you visit a new friend, look at their feet. Are they wearing shoes? Look at the door. Are there shoes there?
That is a good tip. Watch and learn. If you are not sure, ask, should I take off my shoes?
It is a polite question.
Sarah, let's talk about eye contact, looking at the eyes.
In the USA and UK, we say, look at me when I talk to you. It shows you are honest.
If you look down, people think you are hiding something or you are bored.
But in some Asian cultures, looking into the eyes of a boss or a teacher is rude.
Yes, it is too strong. It is better to look down a little bit. It shows respect for the boss.
So, eye contact can be polite or rude. It depends on where you are.
John, let's talk about personal space, the bubble around us.
In Northern Europe and North America, we like a big bubble. We stand far apart when we talk, maybe 1 arm's length.
If you stand too close, we feel uncomfortable. We step back.
But in South America or the Middle East, people stand closer. They touch your arm when they talk.
It means they are friendly. They are warm.
So, if someone stands close to you, do not be afraid. It is just their culture.
Sarah, let's talk about festivals and holidays.
Oh, holidays are the best time to see culture.
In December, many countries celebrate Christmas, trees, lights, Santa Claus.
But in India, they have Diwali, the festival of lights. It is beautiful.
In China, they have the Lunar New Year. It is usually in January or February. Dragon dances, red envelopes with money.
In the USA, we have Thanksgiving in November. We eat turkey and say thank you.
In Brazil, they have carnival, big parades, dancing, music.
Festivals bring people together. They usually involve special food and special clothes.
Listeners, what is the biggest festival in your country? Think about it. How do you describe it in English?
We eat, we wear, we dance.
Simple sentences.
Sarah, let's talk about family.
In some cultures, the family is nuclear. Mom, dad, children, they live in one house.
Grandparents live in a different house. Aunts and uncles live in different houses. This is common in the West.
But in many cultures, like in Asia, Africa, South America, the family is extended.
Everyone lives together. Grandparents, parents, children, cousins, one big house.
Or they live very close. They eat dinner together every night.
In these cultures, taking care of old people is very important. You do not put them in a home for old people. They stay with you.
This is a beautiful part of culture. Respect for elders, older people.
Sarah, let's talk about language. We are learning English, but English changes too.
Yes, English in London is different from English in New York.
In the USA, we say apartment. In the UK, you say flat.
In the USA, you say elevator. In the UK, we say lift.
In the USA, we say cookie. In the UK, you say biscuit.
In the USA, you say soccer. In the UK, we say football.
It is the same language, but different culture.
And different accents. An Australian accent is different from an Irish accent.
Is one better? No, they are just different flavors, like vanilla ice cream and chocolate ice cream.
John, let's talk about mistakes again. I want our listeners to feel confident.
Imagine you travel to a new country, you make a mistake, you wear your shoes inside, or you shake hands when you should bow.
Do not panic. Do not be sad.
Just say, I am sorry, I am learning about your culture.
People love this. They love to teach you. They will say, oh, let me show you, and they will help you.
Asking questions shows respect. You can ask, what is the custom here? Is this polite?
Being curious is good. Curiosity opens doors.
Sarah, let's do a role play.
Okay.
I'm visiting your home in Japan. Pretend.
Okay, ding dong. I open the door.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello, John. Welcome.
John tries to walk in with shoes.
Oh, John, please wait.
What is wrong?
In Japan, we take off our shoes here in the Genkan entrance.
Oh, I am so sorry, Sarah. I forgot.
It is okay. Here are some slippers for you.
Thank you. Takes off shoes. The slippers are comfortable.
Please come in. Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
End of role play.
That was a good example. I made a mistake. You corrected me gently. I fixed it. We are still friends.
Exactly. It was not a big problem.
Sarah, why is it important to learn about other cultures?
Because the world is getting smaller. We connect on the internet. We travel. We work with international teams.
If we understand culture, we have fewer fights. We have more peace.
We realize that deep down, we are all the same. We all want to be happy. We all want to be loved. We all need food and sleep.
We just do it in different ways.
John, I want to talk about gestures. Using your hands.
Oh, be careful with your hands.
Yes. In the USA, the thumbs up, thumb pointing up, means good.
But in some countries in the Middle East, it can be rude.
In the USA, pointing with one finger is normal. Look at that.
In some Asian countries, pointing with one finger is rude. You should use your whole hand.
Nodding your head usually means yes, but in Bulgaria, nodding means no.
That is confusing.
Yes, so watch the people. Do what they do.
Sarah, do you have a favorite culture?
I love Italian culture. I love the food. I love how they talk with their hands. They are very expressive. They show their feelings.
I love Japanese culture. I love how polite they are. I love the quiet gardens. And I love the trains. They are always on time.
Listeners, what culture do you like? Maybe you like American movies. Maybe you like K-pop.
If you like K-pop, you are learning Korean culture. If you like Hollywood, you are learning about American culture.
Culture is everywhere.
Sarah, let's practice some questions to ask people about their culture. This is a great way to make conversation.
Good idea. Question 1. What is the most popular food in your country?
What is the most popular food in your country?
Question 2. What is a big festival in your country?
What is a big festival in your country?
Question 3. How do you say thank you in your language?
How do you say thank you in your language?
Question 4. What do people do on the weekend here?
What do people do on the weekend here?
If you ask these questions, people will talk for hours. They love to explain their country.
And you will learn so much, and your English will get better.
John, let's talk about stereotypes.
A stereotype is a simple idea about a group of people. It is often not true, or only a little bit true.
Example, all British people drink tea.
Is it true?
Many do, but not all. Some hate tea, some drink coffee.
Example, all Americans are loud.
Is it true?
Some are loud, but many are quiet and shy.
Stereotypes are dangerous. They make us lazy thinkers.
When you meet a person, do not think about the stereotype. Think about the person.
This is John. He is from America. Is he loud? No, he is calm.
This is Sarah. She is from the UK. Does she drink tea? Yes, she does. Laughs.
Okay, that one is true for me. But you understand the point. Every person is unique.
Sarah, let's talk about global citizens.
A global citizen is someone who feels they belong to the world, not just one country.
They respect all cultures. They want to help the planet.
By learning English, you are becoming a global citizen. English is the world's language. It connects Japan to Brazil. It connects Germany to China.
When you speak English, you can talk to almost anyone.
That is a superpower.
Sarah, let's do a quick summary of what we learned today.
We learned about greetings, handshakes, bows, food, forks, chopsticks, clothing, colors, traditional clothes, time, punctual versus flexible, shoes, inside or outside, family, small versus big, gestures.
We traveled around the world in 30 minutes.
John, do you have a challenge for our listeners this week?
Yes, I challenge you to learn one thing about a new culture.
How?
Go to the internet. Search for a country you don't know. Maybe culture of Peru or culture of Vietnam.
Read one article or watch one video.
Then write a sentence in the comments. In Peru, they eat. In Vietnam, they wear.
That is a great challenge. It makes us curious.
Also, think about your culture. How do you describe your culture in English?
Try to write 3 sentences about your country. In my country, we greet people by our favorite food is.
Write it in the comments. We want to learn about you.
Our listeners come from so many places. It is amazing.
Sarah, I feel like traveling now. I want to go to the airport.
Me too. But for now, we have our podcast.
Yes, we are happy here.
Sarah, do you have any final words of encouragement?
Yes. To our listeners, you are doing something very difficult, learning a language and learning culture. Be patient with yourself. You are building bridges.
Bridges of friendship.
Keep listening, keep speaking, keep smiling.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode here on Slow English Learning. I hope you enjoyed our conversation and learned some interesting things about the world.
Remember, you don't need to hurry. Understanding the world is a journey, and it is okay to go slow.
If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who is also learning. I am Sarah.
And I am John.
We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, stay positive, and be a global citizen. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.